Today, we're diving into the MORDEN MS Seed Sprouting Jar Broccoli Sprouts Growing Kit, designed for effortless home sprouting. This kit comes with everything you need to start growing a variety of sprouts right in your kitchen. With 2 glass mason jars, 2 screen sprout lids, and stainless steel stands, it's built for durability and optimal sprouting conditions. What I love about this kit is its simplicity. You just soak your seeds for 8 to 12 hours. Then within 2 to 3 days, you have fresh, crunchy sprouts ready to enjoy. The design ensures excellent drainage and airflow, preventing seeds from rotting, a common issue with other methods. The materials are top-notch too. Food-grade, non-porous glass jars and stainless steel components ensure safety and longevity. Plus, once you're done sprouting, the jars double as storage containers, making this kit not just functional but versatile. You can sprout a variety of seeds with this kit: broccoli, alfalfa, mung beans, and more, giving you a constant supply of nutritious sprouts for salads, sandwiches, or snacks. It's a sustainable way to add freshness to your diet year-round.in conclusion. If you're looking for the best way to grow fresh sprouts at home, the MORDEN MS Seed Sprouting Jar Broccoli Sprouts Growing Kit is a fantastic choice. It's easy to use, well-designed, and built to last. Whether you're new to sprouting or a seasoned pro, this kit delivers on its promise of fresh, healthy sprouts with minimal effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.